Hey guys, it's your girl Janine. I haven't done a review in some time. Don't mind the background, sometimes simple is best. I wanted to do a quick review for you guys. A mascara from Milk Makeup, and the mascara is called Kush Waterproof Mascara. It's a volumizing mascara. Only comes in one color, so you know it's only comes in black. And me personally, I favor brown mascaras, but I do wear black mascara occasionally here and there. If you're not familiar with Milk, it was founded in New York City by the infamous Milk Studios, where all the infamous, huge campaigns are shot, and it's known for the big celebrity photo shoots and iconic brands do their shoots there. And I know that they have a location here in Los Angeles. If you didn't know, I live in Los Angeles, now you do. So this is the package. I have a friend, let me back up a little, that is hellbound on only wearing skincare and makeup that is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, just absolutely clean in every sense of the word. You can wear this if you just like her, because this is vegan-free. Vegan, cruelty-free, and clean and gluten-free, all that jazz. So finally got it open. Oh, look at that, it's chrome. It's got a nice chrome finish to it. It's pretty, it's large, it's heavy. So let's see, anything out? No, nothing to, the packaging is beautiful. No like constructive criticism. I like this. Just really big. This is not exactly travel friendly if you're carrying around a small purse like I do, but yeah, like I say, it's pretty. So let's see. This isn't a silicone brush. I prefer silicone brush. This is just a fluffy brush. Let's see. You can see, fluffy. All right, I read the reviews online, and what people are saying that it is a really good volumizing mascara, so it does what it's supposed to do. You can cry in it and sweat in it, and it won't run. So it basically delivers on the fact that it's waterproof. But they say even though it doesn't come off easy, it doesn't come off when you cry and sweat, it does come off easy with oil-based makeup remover. So that's a plus as well. But they do say that it's not really, you can't build it up too much because then it gets clumpy. So you can build it up to a certain extent, but then when you go a little bit overboard, it gets clumpy. So, bear that in mind if you're going to buy this and you like to build up your mascara, that it will get clumpy if you put more layers to it. So let's see. Yeah, I can see what they mean. It's getting clumpy, but it is volumizing. Let's do the bottom lashes. I like it. I'm more of a lengthening girl, but this is cute. It's volumizing. It does a good job, and if it gets clunky, you just clean it up a little. Yeah, I like this. This is, like I say, it lives up to the reviews that I've been reading about online. So yeah, definitely approved by moi. So if you're looking for a cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, clean mascara with beautiful packaging that's waterproof, and your favorite go-to color is black, and you want some volume and you want a volumizing effect, this is an option for you. So that's it. Catch you up next time.